A thinking problem. T1. T is for thinking. A frog jumps into a pond at 0, 0, creating ripple effect with a radius which increases at a rate of 5 centimeters per second. What is the equation of the circle after 30 seconds? That's part A. Part B. A lily pad is floating in the pond at minus 15, 12. How long will it take the ripple to reach the lily pad? That's the part B. Think about it and answer the question. Once you have written your answer, then you move on and see my suggestion. Here is how I will do it. Now, first thing is read the problem again. It says, a frog jumps into a pond at 0, 0, creating ripple effect with radius which increases at the rate of 5 centimeters per second. So think of like this. Let's say this is a coordinate system, right? 0, 0 means right in the center. So it jumps here. So what is happening? So as soon as the frog jumps, there will be waves created which will move like a circle. So let's make a circle here like this, right? So that's the circle. And now it's increasing at the rate of 5 centimeters per second. That's the question. Now part A says, what is the equation of the circle after 30 seconds? So the time is 30 seconds. Now in 30 seconds, how far will the ripple go? So we have time of 30 seconds. And how do we know that how far will the ripple go? So let's take the help of our triangle. You remember the distance, speed, time? Let's make that triangle first. So I'm giving you this just as a recap. So distance, speed and time. So we are interested in what? How far will the ripple go after 30 seconds? That is the radius, right? So distance after 30 seconds when it is moving with the speed of 5 centimeters per second. Do you understand? So we have time of 30 seconds and the speed, we say speed is 5 centimeters per second. So the distance will be how much? Distance is speed into time. So we say speed into time. That means 50 seconds time 5 centimeter over second, correct? So when you multiply this, why 50 seconds? 30 seconds. So it should be 30 seconds, not 50. Since we want after 30 seconds, okay? So that was a mistake. Correct your mistakes as you move on, okay? So it's 30 seconds times 5 centimeters per second. So 30 times 5 is how much? 150, okay? So 5 times 0 is 0 and 5 times 3 is 15. So you get 150 and the units are centimeters. Centimeters is the unit for distance. And from the formula also you get it. You know how? The seconds and seconds will cancel out. So you're left with centimeters. So the distance is 150 centimeters. So let's assume after 30 seconds, that means t is time in seconds here. And this is, let's say, distance, right? So it's moving and it moves to 150 centimeters. So this is 150 centimeters after 30 seconds. Do you see that? So let's assume like this. This is like, because it's a circle, everywhere will be the same. So in 30 seconds, this will be, distance will be 150 centimeter, okay? Now, radius is, we say radius equals to 150 centimeter. Now what is the equation of a circle? Equation of the circle is x square plus y square equals to r square. Now here r is what? R is 150. So you can write the equation as x square plus y square equals to 150 square. So you can have a calculator and calculate square of 150. Even as such, you can write your equation like this. X square plus y square equals to 150 square. So that's the answer for part A. Now the second part is, a lily pad is floating in the pond at minus 15, 12. How long will it take the ripple to reach the lily pad? So minus 15, 12. So you have to figure out what is the distance from origin to the point minus 1512. Once you know that, then you know the speed and you can find the time, correct? So let's find the distance. So we are finding distance from origin to the point minus 1512. So distance formula, you remember, it is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square root. So what is x2 for us? x2, so we'll take this point as the second point. So x2 is minus 15 and y2 is 12. So we'll put that. And x1, y1 is 0, minus 0, 0. So we get the same numbers, right? So we can write minus 15 square plus 12 square root, correct? So that is the distance. And we can use the calculator to find the value of this distance. So let me do it. So minus 15 square will be a positive number. Square of negative is also positive, right? So I can write 15 square plus 12 square. It comes to 369, and then I do square root of 369 and I get answer as 19.209. Okay, so write 19.21. That's the distance, and this distance is in centimeters for us, okay, since we know the rate in centimeters per second. So how much time will it take? So if that is the distance and the speed with which ripple is moving, it is 5 centimeters per second, then time should be distance divided by speed. And we say, well, the time should be 19.21 divided by 5. And if we do that, divided by 5, we get our answer, which is 3.84 seconds. So the answer is 3.84 seconds, right? You can round this to 3.8 or approximately 4 seconds, right? So in 4 seconds, the ripple will reach the lily pad. Good. I hope you understand the concept. So what did we do here? First thing is sketch. Try to get a picture of what is going to happen. So you can see the frog jumps at the origin, ripple is being produced. So you find after 30 seconds how far will the ripple reach. So we found that distance by multiplying 30 into 5 centimeters per second, and we got it as 150. That becomes the radius of the ripple, and so we get the equation of the circle. X square plus y square equals to r square. Part B was to find the time taken to reach the lily pad. So first you find the distance, divide distance by speed to get the time. Okay, so the answer was approximately 4 seconds. Okay, I hope you understand it. You can put your comments and suggestions, and if there's something else, if you want to know more, let me know. We'll help. Thanks.